Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Vegetarian, and I'm Injita. I'm back with a request from one of my subscribers for more cookies. I appreciate and I'm utterly thankful for such requests, and I'll definitely come up with more varieties. But as for now, it's none other than the dainty, light, buttery, lemony cookies. So let's begin. First thing first, loosen up the butter. There's 100 grams unsalted at room temperature. Either use a hand whisk, spoon or spatula. Once loosened up, adding sugar 110 grams. If you got an extra sweet tooth, you may add a little more and start beating until you get a creamy light texture. Now, time to add the lemon zest of 1 whole lemon. It's got all the essential oil and flavor. Require the juice as well. This is again juice from 1 whole lemon, 30 grams, which is equal to exactly 2 tablespoons. Good quality vanilla 1 teaspoon. And give it a whisk. And in this cookie, I am also using few drops of natural food color, lemon yellow, just to let know that it's a lemon cookie. But this is optional. You may add if you like. As it's an eggless cookie, I am using full fat milk, 100 ml. Adding salt as well, 1/4 teaspoon. To enhance and balance the taste. Blend all well and time to add the dry ingredients. Now sifting the dry ingredients is optional here, and this is just to make sure to get rid of any lumps or any unwanted things in a flour. Here I have taken 255 grams of plain flour and 45 grams of corn flour. This one's baking powder 4 grams and soda bicarbonate 3 grams. Finally, with a spoon or a spatula, fold them gently to form a dough. But if you're using your hand, your fingers to bring them together, avoid kneading the dough. Unless you want a bread chewy and dense instead of light and soft cookies. This is not supposed to be a smooth dough. Just bring everything together and cover it properly. Keep it in the refrigerator for at least half an hour to 1 hour, which means chilling the dough. The dough is ready, chilled, and I have set the oven to preheat at 180 degrees Celsius. The tray is ready here with the baking paper, and in this big bowl I have kept some powdered sugar to slightly coat the cookie doughs. Now with the help of this round tablespoon, I'll measure each dough equally. Also required to work quickly here while the dough is still chilled. If you want your cookies to look like this, give it a round shape and coat in the sugar generously or lightly. Now this step is optional as well. I prefer to coat them lightly just to caramelize the outer layer. Continue the process, keeping them 1.5 inches apart on the tray. Finally, to be baked immediately while still cold at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. In the meantime, I kept the rest of the dough ready. But as you can notice here, in some of the dough I have generously coated with sugar powdered sugar, and after being baked, I'll show you the result. My first batch of cookies well baked and transferred upon the cooling rack. Also perfectly baked. Let them cool down completely. So here they are, ready to be relished. And these are the ones generously coated with powdered sugar. So this is how they look. Patches of sugar here and there. Pleasing to the eye and tempting. Whereas these were lightly coated but equally irresistible. Each one of them perfectly baked. Just can't wait to taste. And the room is filled with its lemony fragrance. Let me break and show you one of these dainty looking cookies. It's a cookie and not a biscuit, so it doesn't snap or crackle while breaking or biting. It's soft inside because of the cornstarch used. And you can say it's well baked inside out. Enjoy these buttery lemony cookies with your afternoon tea, and of course there's no better way to soothe away your daytime stress. It's heavenly.